YouTube automation is breaking the internet right now by revolutionizing the way content is created and managed. This technology allows channel owners to streamline their video creation, scheduling, and uploading processes, significantly reducing the manual labor involved. It not only enhances efficiency but also ensures consistency in posting, which is crucial for maintaining viewer engagement, growing a subscriber base, and ultimately generating more revenue. Thousands of channels have leveraged YouTube automation to their advantage, producing high-quality content at scale. These creators use automation tools to generate scripts, create engaging visuals, and optimize their videos for SEO, allowing them to focus more on creative aspects and less on repetitive tasks. The result is a seamless content creation process that keeps their audiences engaged and their channels growing steadily. The first step is to explore keyword and content ideas using VidIQ. This tool helps you identify the best keywords to optimize your video for search engines, ensuring it reaches the right audience and ranks higher in search results. Additionally, you can generate video ideas using VidIQ's AI generator by simply typing in your topic and letting VidIQ work its magic. To begin, sign up with the link in the description of this video. Once you're logged in, navigate to the keyword research tool and enter the topics or ideas you want to explore. VidIQ will provide you with a comprehensive list of keywords along with important metrics like search volume, competition score, and overall keyword score. Once you have your video concept and keywords from VidIQ, the next step is to generate the script using ChatGPT. This powerful AI tool can brainstorm a variety of video titles tailored to your topic, helping you stay ahead of trends and maintain a steady flow of fresh content. For the sake of this tutorial, we are going to choose top marketing strategies to boost your small business growth. Provide ChatGPT with the video ideas from VidIQ, and it will create a detailed, engaging script for your video. This will serve as the foundation for your content, ensuring it is informative and captivating. If you are enjoying this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more content like this, and drop a comment below with any questions or feedback. Now that you have your video script generated using ChatGPT, we will use another tool called Pictory AI, which you can find linked in the description of this video. Pictory AI will help us transform our script into a fully fledged video with minimal effort. First, sign into your Pictory AI account and select the Script to Video option. Enter your video name and paste your script into the provided field. Click Proceed, and Pictory AI will automatically generate a storyboard complete with relevant stock footage and text overlays. Next, let's add a voiceover. Pictory AI integrates with 11 labs, providing high-quality AI voiceovers. If you sign up for the professional plan, you gain access to 51 hyper-realistic AI voices from 11 labs, giving you 120 minutes of voiceover time. Additionally, you can utilize 60 text-to-speech AI voices that cover 29 different languages, making your content accessible to a global audience. To add a voiceover, choose the audio option within Pictory AI and select the perfect voice for your video. Adjust the voice's pitch, speed, and volume to match the tone and pacing of your script. This feature allows you to create a natural-sounding narration that enhances the overall quality of your video. Once your voiceover is ready, sync it with your video content. Pictory AI makes this process seamless, ensuring that your narration aligns perfectly with the visuals and text. This professional touch will keep your viewers engaged and ensure your message is delivered effectively. Now, let's play the finished video and see how all the elements come together seamlessly. Enjoy.
Are you a small business owner looking to supercharge your growth? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top marketing strategies that will take your business to the next level. Let's get started. First up, branding. Your brand is your business's identity. It's what makes you unique. Invest in a memorable logo, a compelling story, and a consistent color scheme. Make sure your brand speaks to your target audience. Remember,
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Drop a comment below with any questions or feedback. For more resources to boost your channel's growth, check out the links in the description of this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the recommended videos at the end screen. Stay creative and keep growing your channel with automation. See you in the next video.